What is going on, everybody? I am back. I just wanted to make a quick video today on MegaETH. Recently, MegaETH listed on Coinbase and IPO'd. What I wanted to really talk about was MegaETH and why it's going down. MegaETH airdropped about 9,000 wallets, which had dumped. Hold on, let me pull up some stats real quick. MegaETH dumped about 8,360 wallets in allocation. 50% are still holding. 40% sold everything. 10% partially sold. So that is a big reason for the decline off the massive volume off the IPO. One thing that I do want to note, MegaETH is a layer 2, which it's aiming to speed up transaction speeds on Ethereum, which is actually a problem worth solving. Ethereum's always kind of struggled being one of the laggers as far as layer 2 speed goes. It's 2 times faster than Solana, which is actually pretty insane considering the speed of Solana, and that being one of the main reasons that I invested to Solana last year over quite a few others. Let's take a look at the allocation chart for the IPO. 5% public sale, 2.5% bonus pool, 5% echo round, 2.5% fluffle round, 9.5 team advisors, foundation ecosystem reserves, 7.5 VC allocation, 14.7, and 53% KPI staking rewards. So that 53% is actually pretty impressive considering, I think nowadays a lot of people are looking to, they're giving up being the world's greatest crypto trader, just going into full staking and long-term holds, which I think MegaETH actually could be a good long-term hold considering the problems it solves. I don't want to just straight make videos on things that I'm bullish on, but I actually am kind of bullish on MegaETH long term. I think short term it's going to struggle just because of the selling pressure. And when I say short term, I mean, really short term. Like I think MegaETH is going to bottom probably around 12 cents. If not, a little bit lower than 12 cents, but 12 cents being my levels of interest per se. I mean, I really had to refrain from adding a small starter position on MegaETH just because of the volume and the direction. If I was seeing a little bit more bullish momentum, I probably would have opened I probably would have started a long play on that. But I'm staying on the sidelines for now, especially considering everything that's going on with VVV. I don't want to subtract from my position there. So I just opened, another. Well, I added to my position in VVV, but I haven't opened anything in MegaETH quite yet. But I am eyeballing it. It's just kind of sitting at a level where I do think it can drop a little bit lower, considering the bullish momentum being kind of flat. But again, so one thing that I am interested in is the layer 2, the speed problems it solves. 2 being the listing. I mean, everything's very volatile off listing, but with the volume that we're seeing, I think that is very telling, considering it IPO'd, and it's kind of sitting at a undervalued market cap in my opinion. I think that it's actually undervalued right now, but I don't see it going straight up in the short term. Just because the amount that was allocated, people are selling off. There isn't bullish momentum. If there was bullish momentum, we probably could have seen more people holding on to their airdrops. But, you know, selling pressure kind of killed that. So people started selling off their airdrops, and, you know, one thing after another, it kind of tumbled down and killed momentum and listing momentum and all that. So sidelined for now, but I will be hopping in definitely around, you know, the 12-cent level, considering everything goes okay. And you know, it'd be nice to time it perfectly with the pump on VVV, because I do still think that VVV has room to grow. I think it's going to crack $10. Probably pull back after that, but $10 is kind of the level I'm eyeing. I think $9 to $10 is going to happen quick. It was $8.50 yesterday, and then all of a sudden last night, in the middle of the, you know, in the middle of dawn, it pumped out of nowhere. So I'm going to be eyeing that today. MegaETH in the back pocket, and we will get back to you guys sometime today. Probably make another video on VVV and then pump them out, stagger them a little bit. So you guys have a great day. Comment what you guys are seeing in MegaETH, and then we'll go from there. Have a good day. Enjoy your Friday, and see you guys soon.